40 WH questions in simple future tense. Do you know how to ask questions about future in English? In this video, you'll practice 40 WH questions in simple future tense with short and clear answers. Perfect for beginners and English learners who want to speak with confidence. Let's get started. Structure of WH questions in simple future tense. WH word plus will plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object. We use this structure when we want to ask questions about future actions that require more information than just yes or no. Key parts of the structure. WH word. The question word. What, where, when, why, who, how. Will helps express the future. Subject. The person or thing doing the action, that is I, you, he, she, they. Base form of the verb. No ed or s endings. Always use the simple form. Object. The rest of the sentence. Important rule. Always use the base form of the verb after will. For example, what will you eat? Other examples are, what will you eat? I will eat pizza. Where will she go? She will go to the market. What will you eat for lunch?
I will eat rice.
What will she buy at the mall?
She will buy a dress.
What will they do tomorrow?
They will clean the house.
What will he wear to the party?
He will wear a black suit.
What will we watch tonight?
We will watch a movie.
What will you bring to the picnic?
I will bring snacks.
What will she cook for dinner?
She will cook pasta.
What will he study next semester?
He will study biology.
What will they order at the restaurant?
They will order pizza.
What will you do this weekend?
I will visit my cousins.
Where will you go after class?
I will go home.
Where will she travel next year?
She will travel to Turkey.
Where will we stay during this trip?
We will stay in a hotel.
Where will he work after graduation?
He will work in a hospital.
Where will they park the car?
They will park near the entrance.
Where will you meet your friends?
I will meet them at the cafe.
Where will she have lunch?
She will have lunch at her office.
Where will he go on vacations?
He will go to Dubai.
Where will you celebrate your birthday?
I will celebrate it at home.
Where will they perform the concert?
They will perform in the auditorium.
When will you arrive at the station?
I will arrive at 5 p.m.
When will she start her new job?
She will start next Monday.
When will they return from the trip?
They will return next week.
When will he call you?
He will call me at night.
When will we begin the meeting?
We will begin at 10 a.m.
Why will you go to the doctor?
I will go because I have a fever.
Why will she leave early?
She will leave to catch the train.
Why will they cancel the event?
They will cancel it due to rain.
Why will he study late tonight?
He will study for the exam.
Why will we need more time?
We will need it to finish the work.
Who will help you with the project?
My brother will help me.
Who will visit us next week?
My aunt will visit us.
Who will take care of the baby?
The nanny will.
Who will drive the car?
I will drive.
Which team will win the match?
Our team will win.
Which book will she choose?
She will choose the novel.
Which subject will you study?
I will study English.
How will you travel to Lahore?
I will travel by train.
How will he finish the assignment?
He will finish it with my help.
How will they manage the budget?
They will manage it carefully.
Well done. You have just practiced 40 useful WH questions with answers to help you talk about the future. Keep practicing, and your English will get better every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grammar and speaking lessons. Thank you.